Rooibos Limited and heart of the Rooibos industry. This wilderness of craggy peaks, clean air and pure mountain streams is called the Cederberg Mountains. This is the only place in the world where Rooibos, a plant with extraordinary health-promoting properties, grows naturally. At the turn of the 19th century, it was common practice for the locals to harvest the wild-growing Rooibos plants. The leaves and fine stems were chopped with axes and bruised with hammers before being left in heaps to ferment. Once fermented, the leaves and stems were spread out to dry, ready for use as a thirst-quenching drink. Today, Rooibos is still processed in much the same way, but the methods are now mechanized and far more refined. The production of Rooibos starts with the planting of seeds in specially prepared seed beds in the late summer months of February and March. During the cooler winter months of July and August, after the first rainfall, the seedlings are transplanted. The first crop can be expected 18 months later. The Rooibos plant is harvested once a year between January and April by cutting the branches about 30 to 40 centimeters above the ground. On average, 3 to 4 crops can be harvested from the same plantation. The cuttings are bound into bundles for transportation to the processing yard. Here it is cut to the desired lengths for specific product applications. The Rooibos is then arranged into low heaps. Water is added to adjust the moisture content to 60%, whereafter it is properly aired. Next, the product is bruised to release the enzymes responsible for oxidation. During the fermentation process, the product changes from green to its characteristic amber color, and it develops its distinctive sweet aroma. The fermented Rooibos is then spread out in large drying yards to dry under the hot African sun. Special machines collect the dried Rooibos. Now it is delivered to the factory.